guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you guys how I made my hemp soap, and I'll go ahead and insert all of the lovely up close pictures of this particular soap. This is going back to my wall. I love pinning my recipes to the wall, that way I can kind of look at it as I go to make sure, give me order to my chaos basically. Okay, so in this particular soap, we have 34 ounces total weight of oil. Again, my water percentage of my oil is 37%. I super fat at 7% if you are new to my videos. So I gotta go back and redo my math. But if you are interested in this particular hemp soap, as with all soaps that I make on this channel, it is available in my Etsy shop, which you can find that link down below in the description box. And just roughly, I have coconut oil, mango seed butter, hemp oil, and cocoa butter, all nourishing ingredients for your skin. So the hardness of this bar is 50, cleansing is 20, conditioning is 46, bubbly is 20, creamy is 29, the iodine is at 61, and INS is at 155, which I feel is a good overall combination of oils. Okay, so in this particular soap, I did do a little something different. I took my marigold petals and I put them in a processor and I mixed those throughout the soap, because those petals are really good for problematic skin. And I'll go ahead and list the reasons on the screen. Okay, so overall, this I feel is a really good hemp soap. This is a good soap for anybody who has sensitive, itchy, dry, patchy, red, irritated skin. And if you don't, if you just have sensitive skin like myself, then this is a good bar for us. It does have a little clay in it, and yes, I know the clay is kind of like too much could be drying, too little can do nothing. You gotta find that even balance where it doesn't dry out our sensitive skin, but at the same time it gives us that spa nourishing feeling. So I'll go ahead and I will list down the percentages of these oils in the description box. And again, if you are interested in just skipping the whole process of having to try to make this soap, go ahead and hit that link in my description box. You are going to be looking for the Hemp Calendula soap bar, and you can go ahead and purchase this bar that you will see in today's video. So yeah, enough rambling. Let me go ahead and get started. And oh, one more thing. I did use my own blend. In this particular formula, I put, where are you, 1.5 ounces of essential oils. So I have lavender, I have tea tree, I have ylang ylang, and I have jojoba essential oil. And I put a little bit of that in there, like I said, about 1.5 ounces of a blend of those in this soap to give it extra benefits, extra skin healing benefits. And I love my little paper scotch, just pull them off. So the tea tree is good for blemish prone skin. It is also good, what else? I said tea tree, lavender. Now lavender is kind of like one of those essential oils that's good for every skin type. It is good for blemish prone skin, it's good for oily skin, it's good for dry skin, it's good for aging and mature skin, and it's also good for irritated and sensitive skin. So I put probably more of that essential oil than I did any of the others. Jojoba is good for oily skin, but it's also good because it matches our natural skin sebum very, very closely. What else? We have the ylang ylang. Now ylang ylang is good for aging and mature skin. It's also good for dry skin. And I think that is it. I covered all of the essential oils that I put in there. It's kind of like my own little cheat sheet for these oils. Okay, so again, if you are interested in this bar or making this bar yourself, then keep watching. If you're interested in just purchasing this bar, then keep watching. Either way, keep watching, and then by the end of the video you can decide if this is something that you want to take on, or if not, go ahead and hit that link in the description box and purchase your soap today. Okay guys, so that is how I make my hemp soap with my added petals. Again, this was my first time making this soap, but I am in love with how it came out and the whole process of making it. So yeah, if you are interested in making this soap, give it a shot. Go ahead and comment down below if you have any questions, or if you try it out, go ahead and tag me on Instagram and show me, you know, you guys' process. If you are not interested in making this soap, because I know everybody's not going to want to make soap. So if you are watching this video and you are not interested in actually making the soap, but you would love to try it out, it will be available in my Etsy shop in about 6 weeks. If you go and you click on the Etsy shop link in my bio, you are able to, I think, be a fan of my shop. That way whenever I upload, or not upload, but whenever I update my inventory and add new items, you'll be one of the first people to know, and then you'll be able to make this purchase. There will probably only be 10 bars available in 6 weeks, but obviously as the weeks go on and more bars cure, then I'll be able to sell those as well. So yeah, hopefully I didn't ramble too much, and hopefully I didn't talk too fast, because I know I tend to do that, and I'm sorry in advance for that. But if you guys did like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you like me, go ahead and follow my channel. That way you can be uploaded, Lord, I'm tired. Follow my channel, hit that notification button so that you can be updated every time I upload a new video. And I think that is it for now. So until next time, guys.